Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can use the relight actions from the sorcery sauce action set. In the previous video we complete this backdrop, and in this one I want to show you how you can use the relight. So first of all I'm going to run the step 1, and now we have two different layers. In the first layer you can add light, and in the second layer you can increase the shadows or create new shadows. I'm gonna start creating light. I'm gonna do, first of all, I'm gonna select the marquee tool, the elliptical marquee tool, and I'm gonna do something like this. I'm gonna fill this selection with white color, so I'm gonna go to edit, fill, and I'm gonna select white. So we now have a very harsh but clean light behind the model. I'm gonna do something similar for the shadows, but in this case my goal is add new shadows. I'm gonna use the marquee tool again. I'm gonna go to the very edge or something like this, why not? And I'm gonna fill this selection with white. We need to invert the selection, but let me show you maybe an easiest way. So after selecting, I'm gonna fill this with white as well. And now we need to invert this layer mask. We can press Command I, or we can press this little button in here to do the same. It's to invert the layer mask. So this is how the layer mask is looking. And as you can see, we create a big and harsh darkening or vignette or shadow at the very edges. Okay, now it's time to run step 2. Continue. I'm gonna select a really big radius for the shadow, and maybe something smaller, maybe something like this, why not, for the light. Let's go. Okay, this is good enough. It's done. This is the before and this is the after. I'm gonna decrease the opacity, and I'm gonna decrease not only the opacity, but I also gonna decrease the intensity of this backlight or background light. I think this is more natural, why not? And now we're gonna decrease the overall opacity, something around 70–80% in this case. Your numbers will be different for sure. And as you can see, we added light and we didn't touch the model at all. So it's pretty useful in cases you want to just bring more attention to the model. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.